9. Cool new gadgets. Over the past year, startups and massive corporations alike have tried to keep up the tempo of new releases. It's 2020, we want our lives more efficient, safer, and more entertaining. Technology is a forever changing space. We need to stay up to date with new gadgets. Today we will introduce some super cool new gadgets. Number 1. Arlo Video Doorbell. If you want a good balanced doorbell with a video facility between premium features, price, best video quality, and durability, then the Arlo Video Doorbell may become your top choice without being annoying. It has the feature of telling the difference between people, animals, packages, and vehicles. It only sends you the notifications according to your want and minimizes the wrong alert. Number 2. Meeting Owl Pro Video Conference Camera. For remotely meeting, the video conference camera is the most usable thing. With a normal video camera, we can see face-to-face view. But the Meeting Owl Pro Video Conference camera offers a 360-degree view, and with 1080p camera helps to get sharp and crystal clear video output. The Owl Intelligence System has an autofocused and smart zooming function. Number 3. Samsung Odyssey G9 Gaming Monitor. The gaming monitor should have high specifications to obtain the best gaming experience. The Samsung Odyssey G9 can be your top choice, and it will be worth your every penny. It has a curved 49-inch huge monitor with 5120 by 1440 resolution. The QLED display offers pin-sharp and colorful video output. Number 4. EasyViscan Outdoor Smart Wi-Fi Camera. Outdoor camera technology developed a lot. But the EasyViscan Outdoor Smart Wi-Fi Camera is a solid security kit. Its tennis ball size offers to protect from rain, dust, storms, and even temperature. The EasyVis app is user-friendly, and you can toggle a full-screen live stream and can save those video files. Number 5. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. Facing a problem with your cup of coffee or tea may be your annoying problem. The Ember Temperature Control Mug can solve your problem. You can control your Ember mug via its accompanying app. A heating element in the bottom of the mug keeps it warm until you have finished its last drop. Number 6. UV Self-Cleaning Water Purifier Bottle. The UV Self-Cleaning Water Purifier Bottle is perfect for household work, office, and especially suitable for hiking, camping, backpacking, fishing, and hunting. It's rechargeable and easy to use. Number 7. Sunstroke Bluetooth Electric Drum Kit. If you don't have space for a full drum kit, you can use the Sunstroke Bluetooth Electric Drum Kit. The Bluetooth sensor that clips onto a pair of drumsticks and straps to your feet, which through the app. Number 8. Wireless Gamepad for iPhone/Android. If you want a wireless joystick and also for your iPhone or Android, then this gadget can be your top choice. This is something very unique. Number 9. Ingenious Backpack for Men. The travel bag should be compact, and at the same time, it should have the facility to carry your essential product. The Ingenious Backpack could have the right choice. It is functional and waterproof and perfect for traveling and formal work. Technology changes from time to time. Those super cool new gadgets can help to increase the efficiency of your daily life and make your life easier and up to date.